Hi, Mark here to talk about sources. To find articles for your curation, MyCurator uses RSS or Atom feeds as sources. Most websites, blogs, and news sites have an RSS feed to distribute their articles. The sources you use are displayed here in the Sources menu item, where you can add, delete, and edit them. Our setup wizard created two sources, one from Bing and one from Google News, which you can see here. This is the feed URL and the source group. The source group relates sources to topics. This allows you to add multiple feeds to a source group and have them apply to every topic that uses that source group. It also allows you to add and delete sources without having to go and change things on the topic. To gather more sources, you can use our Get It and Source It tool. Go to the Source It bookmarklet and you just drag this up to your bookmarks, and it will create allow you to create new sources by just going to a site and grabbing the source using the bookmarklet. Use the help on that page if you want more information. We created automatically a couple Google News and Bing search sources. You can also create a Twitter search source, and you can create other Google and Bing news sources using this menu item. You can add new sources manually. Just go in here, add a source name, and put in the source URL, which would be the URL of the feed. The little Need Help button will bring up a video about how to find those on the web page. Finally, you can edit a source if you need to change the name or something, or the long URL term, or choose a different source group for the source. If there's more than one, you can add them here, or you can enter a new source group. So that's basically it. Remember, sources are used to find articles for MyCurator, and you can use many options using our Source It tool, adding sources manually, and also we have a video on using Google Alerts for sources. Thanks.